Ever wondered how you can create a digital version of yourself? Today we're exploring how to create your own AI avatar using Synthesia, a platform at the forefront of AI technology. Synthesia is revolutionizing content creation, making it accessible, customizable, and futuristic. Creating an AI avatar on Synthesia is a breeze. Start by navigating to their website, where you'll find a variety of pre-existing avatars. But if you're up for a dash of personal flair, choose to create a custom avatar. For this, you'll need to provide a brief video of yourself. Synthesia's AI technology then steps in, meticulously analyzing your features and expressions. The end result? A lifelike digital twin, uniquely yours. And just like that, you've created your own lifelike AI avatar. But that's not all. Synthesia offers an array of customization options. From altering outfits to swapping backgrounds, you can tailor your AI avatar to your liking. With support for over 60 languages, the versatility is impressive. With Synthesia, you can truly make your AI avatar your own. AI avatars are not just fun, they're functional. They can personalize business presentations, enhance educational content, or establish your personal digital presence. From boardrooms to classrooms, they bring a unique touch to any setting. With AI avatars, the possibilities for content creation are endless. While AI avatars are exciting, it's crucial to use this technology ethically and respect privacy. Remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Upholding privacy and ethical use is a shared duty. Synthesia ensures that the creation of custom avatars is consent-based and secure. Ready to create your digital twin? Step into the future with Synthesia and be part of the AI revolution. Unleash your creativity and express yourself like never before. Visit Synthesia to start creating your unique AI avatar today.